The chime is a useful feature, so I set all of the doors into chime mode. So especially at night, if anybody was to open up the door, one, the likelihood is they're going to trigger the alarm because it's in home mode, but it also gives me just that audio verification that a door has been opened. Some people actually just like to have this open during the day as well. So I've got my internal siren, that's obviously connected to my hub. I've got my door contact, that's connected to my hub, and if I just separate them, then of course the chime will trigger. So during the day we actually use this feature as well. So if you open up any of the doors, the chime will be triggered. One useful feature whenever using the door contacts, and then of course the arming feature, if the door is open, one, you will probably trigger the chime if you wish for it to be on. But when you go to arm the device, if these are still separated, the DMS app will actually indicate to you that the door is open. It will say to you, the door is open, do you want to continue to arm it or do you want to go check the door? Okay, so of course I know hundreds of intruder alarm systems and I know full too well not all of them do that.